Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the llama from Fortnite. So if you love Fortnite, you know it's all about this cute llama. But I find that the original design of it can be pretty complicated to draw. So I wanted to challenge myself to draw a cuter and easier version for you. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your paper, and let's get started. To draw this cute llama, we're going to first start by drawing its eye. So right here, I'm going to start and draw a big circle. And then I'm going to come inside, right in the center, and draw another circle. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade it in. So there we have the llama's eye in. And then from there, find where your bottom of your circle is and just come out about, say, right here. And we're basically just going to draw a curve over this eye. So I'm just going to make it easier. Say come out about right here. And we're just going to come really close to that eye. Right there. So we're just going to draw a curve, come close to the eye, and we're going to start to round it off. And bring it around. Just play with the proportions as you're drawing it. And we're going to bring it down to the same level again, about right here. There. So that's the curve you're aiming to draw. So a little bit thinner here and wider over here. Then from there, now that it's even on both sides, we're going to bring this down a little bit more. Just makes it a little bit easier to gauge the shape of the head. And from there, about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to draw a curve right here. Just stop it and it comes down. So that's the mouth. And from there, I'm going to bring this in. So right here. This is going to be the lower part of the mouth. And about right there, I'll just curve it in. So basically, you just drew a fish. Looks like a fish, right? Okay, let's make it look like a llama. Let's come right back to this line right here, and we're going to draw a circle. So about right there, I'll draw a small circle. So it's where straps are going to begin, and there's this little circle right here. I'm just going to put a dot right in the center, and I'm going to continue this line and bring this down. So I'm starting to build the head. So as I bring it down, there. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to bring a strap right here next to this circle. So about right here. Just draw a curve that comes down. And just thicken my strap. And you can pop it out a little bit if you want. And then from there, let's bring this in a little bit more. From there, I'm going to put another strap right here. Goes up. And another one. Thicken my strap. There. Now the llama ear. So I'm going to come in this area where it's kind of curving downwards. About right here, I'll start and draw an ear. So I'm come up, curve it out, bring it in, and back. So then now that we have the head in, that's pretty much done. We're going to start to work on the body. So right here, I'm going to bring this out, flare it out a little bit. Okay, so then from there we're going to start the body. So I'm simplifying the body. From this point right here, just draw a nice soft curve down. And this part we're going to arch it back. And come down, straighten out. And about right here I'll start to bring it in. And let's bring this curve down to match that side. There. Okay, now let's bring this down a little bit more. So we're just building the body now, both sides. So it's about there, kind of even. And then from there, we're just going to, here and there, we're just going to zigzag. So go straight And then here and there you can just add these little, I don't know what you call them, the piñata ruffles, and then go straight again here and there. If you're not comfortable doing that, just zigzag all the way across. But this adds a nice effect to it to give it some texture. So here and there. And just zigzag sometimes. There. Okay, so now we have the body in. Let's come down here and we're going to draw the legs. So just come about right here. A slight angle on both sides. Tapering this one. And just connect it. So we're going to do the same thing over here, but it's going to go this side now. So right here. And just ending at the same level. Right there, go ahead and connect it. And right here, just add a little stripe for some color. And now the tail. So let's come over here on the side right here. We're just gonna draw maybe, let's see here, 3 strands. So 1, and a longer one, and 1 more shorter one. And tuck it right back in. Okay, now for the saddle. So we're gonna come right in this area and just draw a curve that comes down. So right on the back, just bring a slight curve. And connect it. And then let's come in here, some details, draw a little hinge, so a little rectangle right here. And another one, 2 of them. And we're going to connect it with a line. Bring this down, following our outside line. Oh, I think I should have brought that one out, huh? Okay, well, it doesn't matter, it's so small. So, and then right here, we're just going to add a curve, simplify the details, and just go ahead and connect it. And then let's add an arrow right here that points upwards. And the bottom of our arrow. There, now we got our saddle in. Pop this out a little bit if you want. There. Okay, so now let's break up our piñata llama here with different, so we can color in different colors. So I'll say about right here, I'll stop, break off the neck area with a straight line. Just makes it easier. And I'll just start to add lines that go across. That way you can add all the different colors for our llama. All the way across, and one down here. And then I'm going to come in with a thinner Sharpie and just draw all the little ruffles for our piñata just to give it some texture. So here and there, just add some ruffles. So there, I hope you guys love my version of this cute little llama from Fortnite, and I made it easier for you guys to draw and follow along. If you love Fortnite, make sure to check out all my other drawings of Fortnite characters, and I definitely plan to draw more. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.